Okay, so what do you get when you join for $19.99, and what does that $19.99 include, right? Because that's a one-time fee. There's no other fees ever. So no website fees, no annual fees, no other fees ever. It's $19.99. What comes with that is this box. I'm going to show you what's in it. A 50% discount. If you want it for a business, 50% minimum commission. I earn another 25% on top of that. Plus you have leadership bonuses once you start building a team, if that's where you're going, right? Otherwise, you get a 50% discount on everything else you buy. As long as you spend $125 every 6 months, you get to keep that discount for life. Like I said, no other fees ever. Now, there are some other kits if you want to grab this and another one that saves you well over 50%, but that's up to you, right? There is makeup, there's skincare kits, there's all the things. We can discuss that if you want, but this is what you get for $19.99 or $90, I don't even know, okay? The box is super cute, okay? So you open it right here, okay? Starts with you, and it does. Whatever that looks like for you, it starts with you, okay? So you're gonna get a couple little cute bags. You're gonna get some samples. Now, I will tell you, the samples can change. This is what came in mine. This is the BB cream, some primer. You get to try both. You get to try the age reverses skincare. You get to try this yummy stuff that's like an instant, like, I just got Botox kind of thing going on here. If you want the opportunity, you get this, okay? So you're gonna get all this in the kit. You get to try a foundation, some skincare, but what you're getting really is either a 50% discount on everything else that you buy or a business. You get to decide. So you tell me what you want, and I'm here for it. If you want just a discount, you want me to let you know when things are on sale, things like that, I'll do that. If you don't want me to ever contact you again and you just want to order when you want to order, I'm here for that too. If you want to run, you want to make money, you want this to be a business, I'm here for that too. I'm here for whatever it is you need from me. And I think that's the amazing thing, is that when you join this, you're not alone. I'm here to help you. I've been in companies where I didn't get the help or support I needed, and that sucks so badly that I swore I would never leave people like that, right? You don't want to sign up for a company and be ghosted and then like not know what's going on, right? You get added to my team chat, my team group. I help you daily with what you should be doing to grow your business, if that's what you want, right? So decide what you want and let me know.